Personalization, custom listings are a great way to scale your Etsy business. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you all the Etsy print-on-demand tips to help you scale your own Etsy shop. In today's video, we are talking about personalized listings. When buyers go to the Etsy platform to search for a gift for somebody, a lot of times they are looking to personalize it. In this video, I'm going to show you some personalization examples that you can do for your print-on-demand shop. I'm going to show you how to set up a personalized Etsy listing, and then I'm also going to show you how you can set it up in Printify to make it a smooth process for when those personalized orders come in. If this advice helps you throughout the video, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more Etsy print-on-demand tips and tutorials. All right, so my example for today is going to be custom teacher shirts. I have done well in this niche. So in the Etsy search, I just typed in custom teacher shirt. Now I'm going to show you, these are some of the examples that appear for us. And if we use EVERBEE Product Analytics, I'm going to show you the monthly revenue that some of these are bringing in. So this is what's coming up for us. I'm going to come over to monthly revenue and I'm going to click this arrow down. And we're going to see this one is bringing in over $27,000 a month. Here is an idea. It says in my teacher era. Let me click on it. Here's an example of one. So they have the teacher's name here, and then on the back of the t-shirt, in my teacher era. Just be careful with this because I'm hearing that they are trademarking some of these sayings. So always use your due diligence and go to uspto.gov to make sure that the sayings that you are putting on your shirts and also the words that you are putting into your titles and tags are not trademarked, because you do not want to get an infringement and possibly your shop shut down. So I would steer away from something like this, but you can gain inspiration from this. You could always make a custom teacher shirt with the teacher's name, pocket size on the front, and then a cute retro saying on the back. And that one is bringing in over $7,000 a month. This one here is more basic, and it is still selling really well. So it just has teacher and then the option for the teacher's name. This has been up for 19 months. It's sold 5,258 times. So I just wanted to give you some examples of custom teacher shirts that are already selling. Now, other niches that you might decide to sell custom products in might be for moms, for nurses, for occupations, for bachelorette parties, for birthday parties. There's many areas you can sell in providing personalization. I'm just using teachers as an example for this video. Okay, now I want to show you that I have gone to the Etsy search again, and I've just typed in teacher shirts this time, just to browse through and get an idea for the types of shirts that are selling in the teacher niche. So we're just gaining inspiration by browsing. I always suggest spend 5 to 10 minutes a day to browse in certain niches so that your brain starts to collect information. You start to see certain trends over and over again, certain aesthetics, certain fonts, certain designs over and over again that are selling on the Etsy platform. And all of that information that's collected in your brain is going to help you immensely when you sit down to actually make your own designs. That way you are not copying any one single design. I always say gain inspiration. And when you are getting inspiration from hundreds of designs, you are putting all of them together to make your own beautiful creation. So I'm seeing a lot of retro type designs. Retro is definitely in pretty much all niches right now. I'm seeing some pocket design and some designs on the back. Here's another pocket design. All right, so now once I've browsed through and my brain has calculated some of the information, now I am ready to make my own design. All right, I have headed over to Creative Fabrica. This is a site that offers thousands of graphics for print on demand usage. They also offer a ton of different great fonts that you can download and pull into Canva. I will be showing future tutorials on that. What I did here was I came to Creative Fabrica and I typed teacher into the search. And these are the types of graphics that are appearing for me. By the way, in my description below, I have a link for 10 free downloads for Creative Fabrica if you would like to try it out. So I'm just going to browse and get an idea. Now, what I like to do with Creative Fabrica designs is I download a design, I bring it into Canva, I might erase some of the design, I might add to the design. I like to tweak it to make it my own because a lot of Etsy sellers have access to this site. In order to stand out amongst your Etsy competition, it's important to tweak your designs so that you are not competing directly with the same design. This is also a way to just cover yourself so that you don't get into any copyright issues. Okay, I think I've decided on this teacher rainbow graphic. And as you can see here, it's commercial and full POD usage allowed, POD print on demand usage allowed. So I'm going to download this and I'm going to bring it into Canva and show you how I'm going to tweak this to turn it into a customized listing. All right, now I have my design in Canva and I am going to go ahead and erase the word teacher. Now I'm going to add a name to it to pretend like it's a teacher name so that my customers have an example. Add text box. Let's just say Mrs. Parker. And I'm changing my font. Now I'm going to save this as a template within Canva because whenever somebody orders on my Etsy shop, I'm going to have to come in here and change the name to the information that the customer provides. So you're going to name it something that you will remember so that you can come back and always have it ready within Canva or GoDaddy Studios, wherever it is that you make your designs. So now I'm going to save this. I'm going to download it as a PNG file, transparent background, download. And you are going to come into Printify and you are going to set up a templated listing for you to go into and tweak every time you get an order. I'm going to go to t-shirts. I like to use Bella Canvas 3001. You're going to choose your print provider. You're going to add the example into the template. You will be switching out this design whenever you get a new order on this, but this is just in place for now. And you're going to click Save Product. And you are going to name it. I like to copy and paste the same title that's in my Etsy shop in here so that it's easy for me to find. For time purposes, though, I'm just going to type in custom teacher shirt. And you're going to save it as a draft. You're not going to hit publish because if you hit publish, then this listing will appear in your Etsy shop. You're always going to come to this listing when you get a new order. All right, so now we have our mock-up photo and we're going to pull in our design. You're going to size it on to the mock-up. And then I like to lower the transparency, also known as opacity. I bring it down anywhere between 85 and 95 so that it looks like the design is printed into the shirt. Now we're going to download our mock-up photo. This time it's going to be a JPEG, download. And then we're going to jump right into Etsy. All right, now in Etsy, I'm going to choose add a listing, physical item, another company or person, a finished product, made to order, select the printing company, which is Printify for me, and continue. Now I'm going to fill my title with keywords that people would be searching to find an item such as my customized teacher shirt. So I might say custom teacher shirt, custom name, teacher shirt, personalized teacher shirt. Yeah, I'm going to fill this title up to use 140 characters. Then I'm going to add in my photos. I have added my mock-up photo and now a sizing chart. The description, you're going to fill out the first sentence should have keywords in it that people will potentially be looking up to find this item. So something along the lines of, this customized teacher shirt is the perfect gift for any amazing teacher this school year. And then you would add in the rest of your description below. I just like to use the same description over and over again. I get a lot of the details for my description from the product information within Printify. Then we are going to add personalization. So this is what the buyer is going to see. So you're going to say, please type the name that you would like on your shirt. Please double check your spelling prior to checking out. I always add something like that in there just in case they misspell it and it's already printed and being shipped. It's on them if they are spelling it incorrectly. So I always tell them to double check. Then you're going to add your price, quantity. You're going to click add variations. And then I like to create my own and I name it size. And then here I'm going to type in the options. Done. Apply. Then for the category, we're going to type in t-shirts. Then you are going to put in your 13 tags. So custom teacher tee, teacher t-shirt, personalized teacher. You would fill this in with your 13 tags. You can use tools like EVERBEE to help you come up with the keywords that you want to use in your titles and tags. And then for shipping, I always offer free shipping on my products. You can add this to a shop section, so maybe teacher shirts. And then you are going to click publish. This is how the listing will appear for my customer. They're going to be able to type in the name that they want on the shirt into this box. And when I receive the order, that information will be in the Etsy order. So then you will go back into that Canva template and you will change the name for the new name. And you will save this as a PNG transparent background, download. When that new order comes in, you're going to click into this listing. You're going to click edit design, delete this one, and you're going to add in the new design. You're going to click save product and remember to save it as a draft. Save as draft. When you get this order, you're going to find it in your other orders tab. You're going to click on the customer's name. And then you are going to click select product and you're going to sync that to the order. There you have it. That's how you create a personalized listing using print on demand. I hope that this truly helps you scale your Etsy business. As always, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. And I totally appreciate all of your kind feedback as I'm getting started with this new YouTube channel. Your support means the world to me. And please always keep me posted with your successes along the way. It is so important to celebrate every milestone, even if it's your first sale. That is a huge milestone to be proud of. Go get those personalized listings up, and I'll see you in the next video.